it recoils back like a third of the way and hits me with this little sneak attack strike that I wasn't expecting. This snake is anywhere from 10 to 20 years or more old. And that doesn't do it justice at all. Their teeth are they're punctures. So, they're like needles. You can see that top one gets right into my main vein. And the real bad one was on the top of my arm that you can't see, where it's on this, I think it's an artery. I may be wrong. And I got very lucky. She would have wrapped around me. And, I would have been in a very, very bad situation being out there by myself. I had him on my side that day. She struck, she bit, and I don't know if it's how I pushed it forward and pulled her off or what, because all their teeth are recurved like fish hooks almost, kind of. Got her right off of me. Grabbed her head, pushed her off of me. She didn't latch on.